My name is Nokuthula Ndiweni. I'm a health educator. Today I'm going to be talking about complications which are found in pregnant women. My target audience is going to be pregnant women ages 15 to 44. And so our vision is to strengthen prevention and control of chronic and non-communicable diseases by tackling risk factors. We want to reduce maternal mortality and morbidity and to improve quality of life with particular focus on developing countries, working through the Global Forum and the regional networks. The risk factors include overweight and obesity, smoking, physical inactivity, and risky alcohol consumption. Our priority audience is 35 years for pregnant women because they could practice changing their behaviors because they are attacked by these chronic diseases. They should practice eating healthy, stopping smoking, and doing regular exercises to keep their bodies fit. These chronic diseases can be prevented or reduced by making healthy choices like quitting smoking, eating healthy, getting regular physical activities, avoiding drinking too much alcohol, early screening, getting enough sleep, and also knowing your family history. Health problems during pregnancy can signal trouble for your heart. Women are at greater risk of having heart disease or a stroke if they had the following: that is high blood pressure with pregnancy, pre-eclampsia or eclampsia, gestational diabetes, and preterm birth. So our workshop is mainly focusing on pregnant women and empowering them on taking measures so that they may be able to get early screenings so that they may know if they have any chronic diseases, so that they may be aware of how to control these chronic diseases during their pregnancy, and this will help to save their unborn children and to save their health as well, so that they may be able to be checked regularly by healthcare providers, so that they may be informed of any risks which are found during their pregnancy. So we want to know how we are going to tackle this. We will have each and every person to have something to say, any contributions, any thoughts that you have about this topic that you are talking about.